Hello everybody, today on Seat Taken we're going to do the unboxing of the new Rage Cycles Tail Delete so I can get rid of the Shrek ears. Is it recording? Mm-hmm. Okay. Alright, here's the new Rage Cycle Tail Delete for the R9. Let's go ahead and get it open. Wow. Got that. Let's see, let's cut it here. Let's cut it here, and let's open it up, and let's see what we're looking at. Oh, there it is. Wow, there's actually very few items in here, but it's everything that you need. Oh, here we go. We got the license plate light. You can see there the OEM style connector, and then we got the left and right turn signal and the OEM style connectors. That's going to be real nice for connecting it to the motorcycle, not having to splice into the wires. And then here we got this little bag, and it looks like we got some hardware to use for the installation. And that's it, because the rest of the hardware that we're going to use to install it is the hardware that's on the bike. All right, thanks for watching the unboxing. I'll go ahead and install it and try to do a video on that and post that up too. Till next time, Seat Taken. So here is the license plate light right here. License plate light, and look, it's got OEM style connectors. So there's license plate light, and then we got our left and right turn signal right here. So there's the left and right turn signal. I don't know which one's which. Uh-oh. That messed me up. I was trying to get you to hold it, but you didn't know. I was looking at you, but you didn't know. Okay, let's start over.